Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm back with a new recipe today. This is egg keema pulao. Super simple to make, can be made quickly, and it can be a lunchbox recipe as well. So the ingredients list is given in the description box below. Do check it out. So to begin with, I've taken some oil in a pan. I'm adding cumin seeds to this and letting it splutter. Then I'm going to add finely chopped onion and green chilli to this and then cook the onions till they change color. Then add turmeric powder, red chilli powder and coriander powder to this mixture. Cook until the masalas are nice and done. I've then added pepper powder and garam masala to this mixture and cook it further. Now I'm adding finely chopped tomatoes to this mixture and letting the tomatoes soften. I'll add a little salt required for the masala at this stage. Once the masala is nicely done, I'm adding in the eggs, to which I've added a little bit of salt and pepper. Now mix well and scramble the eggs until it becomes like a keema. Once the eggs are cooked nicely, I'm adding in cooked rice to this mixture. I've cooked the rice, adding a little bit of salt to it. I've used jeera rice for this recipe. Now I've mixed all the rice so that the masala coats it well. And then we'll just let it cook for 2 more minutes on the flame. Once done, the egg keema pulao is ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.